Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Now today we are going to learn about sentences. This is lesson number 2 from your grammar book. Children, now look at these group of words. Do they make any sense? Green grass is the... Do they make any sense? Absolutely no. It doesn't make any sense. But if you write like this, the grass is green. Now it makes a complete sense. The grass is green. Similarly, do these group of words make any sense? Are there many garden in this flower? It doesn't make any sense. But if you write like this, there are many flowers in this garden. Now this makes a sense. There are many flowers in this garden. So what is a sentence? What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words. From our previous examples we understood sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. A group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. So group of words that don't make any sense, are not arranged properly, they are not sentence. When the group of words are arranged properly and make sense, they are known as sentence. It is known as a sentence. Children, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that make a sense. And you should remember that a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So a sentence always starts with a capital letter, but it may end with a full stop. A sentence ending with a question mark. A sentence may end with an exclamation mark, but it should always start with you should always start a sentence with a capital letter. I hope you all have understood what is a sentence. It is a group of words that make sense. If the group of words are not arranged properly and they don't make any sense, it is not a sentence. But if group of words are arranged properly and make some sense, then it is a sentence. And a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Now children, look at these group of words. King of jungle is lion other. Is this a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. Now you make it a sentence. How will you make it a sentence? If we write like this, yes, now it is the sentence. It is starting with a capital letter, it is ending with a full stop, and these group of words make a sense. So now it is a sentence. Similarly, the next one, these group of words. Is this a sentence? Doing, are, you, what? Does this make any sense? No, it doesn't make any sense, and it is not starting with a capital letter and not ending with the full stop. So this is also not a sentence. How to make it a sentence? What are you doing? And here you're asking question, so here we will write a question mark. We'll give a question mark. Now this is a sentence. What are you doing? This is a sentence. It makes a sense. It is starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. One more I will show you. Okay, now does this group of words, do these group of words make a sense? Beautiful day, what is it? It doesn't make any sense. Neither it is starting from with a capital letter and neither it is ending with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So this doesn't make any sense. If we write like this, what a beautiful day it is, and an exclamation mark, because this sentence is showing the emotion, the feeling. What a beautiful day it is. Yes, this is a sentence because it is making some sense and it is starting with a capital letter and ending with an exclamation mark. So this is also a sentence. I hope you all have understood what is a sentence and how to arrange the group of words to make it a sentence, so that these group of words make some sense. It must start with a capital letter, it should end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Children, now we'll learn about the kinds of sentences. There are different kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. We'll learn one by one. Mr. Joseph teaches English. Read this line. Mr. Joseph teaches English. Now in this sentence makes a statement, or it gives us a fact about the person, about Mr. Joseph. So this kind of sentences are called declarative sentences. Declarative sentences, or you may call it as statement, because they are giving the fact, they are stating the fact about the person. So this kind of sentences which declares something or which gives the fact about someone, which states something, which makes a statement, that type of sentences are known as declarative sentences, or you can say it as a statement. Now our next sentence, what does Mr. Joseph teach? In this sentence, the speaker is asking a question. Here the question has been asked, what does Mr. Joseph teach? It is starting with a capital letter and ending with the question mark. This type of sentences or this kind of sentences are called interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Because in this type of sentences, the question is asked and it is starting with a capital letter, ending with the question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. I hope these two kinds of sentences are clear to you. Declarative sentences, which is also called statement. Interrogative sentences, where questions are asked by the speaker. Children, now look at this sentence. What a wonderful teacher. This kind of sentence is called an exclamatory sentences. Here, the speaker is showing the feeling or his emotions about the teacher. What a wonderful teacher! Exclamatory sentence. And it is ending with an exclamation mark, starting with the capital letter. So, the sentences which end with an exclamation mark are known as exclamatory sentences, and these sentences the speaker is showing the feeling or emotions, a strong feeling or emotions. Children, there are many words which are used in exclamatory sentences, like hooray, we won the match. This is also showing the emotion of the speaker. The speaker is very excited. The speaker is very happy. Ouch! I got hurt. In this sentence, the speaker is in pain. The speaker got hurt. So, ouch, I got hurt. Ouch is the word which is expressing the pain of the speaker. Yuck, it smells, it tastes bad. In this sentence also, the speaker is not liking the taste. The speaker doesn't like the taste of the food. So, the speaker is expressing the disappointment. The disappointment. The speaker doesn't like the food, and the speaker is saying, "Yuck! It tastes bad." This also shows the emotion of the speaker, the strong feeling of the speaker. And there are some more words for exclamatory sentences which are used, like bingo, for when you are happy, when you congratulate someone, when you are happy, you want something, you say bingo. Like these, many words are there to show the emotions. And remember that the exclamatory sentences start with the capital letter and ends with the exclamation mark. Here is one more sentence, one more kind of sentence. Please give me his telephone number. Here the speaker is requesting someone to give the phone number of the person. So, the sentences which shows the request is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentences also shows the order, also gives the imperative sentences are those where a speaker gives the order. Sit down. Here the order is given or the command is given. And when you give the instructions, then also it is an imperative sentence. Take out your books. And read lesson and read the lesson. Here the instruction is given by the speaker. So this is also an imperative sentence. So imperative sentences are the sentences where the speaker requests someone, gives an order to someone, or gives an instruction to someone. Then it is also an imperative sentence. I hope you all have understood the 4 kinds of sentences. We will have a recap. We'll look once again, children, the different kinds of sentences. Declarative sentences or statements gives the fact or a statement. Interrogative sentences where a question is asked by the speaker. Exclamatory sentences where the speaker's emotions are shown, the feelings of the speaker is shown, that is an exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentences where the speaker requests someone, gives an order or an instruction to someone, then it is an imperative sentence. Declarative sentences starts with a capital letter and ends with the full stop. Interrogative sentences also starts with a capital letter but it ends with a question mark. Exclamatory sentences starts with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. Sometimes some words are used like I explained earlier, ouch, yuck, bingo, hooray. These are the words that are used in exclamatory sentences to show the emotions, the happy, sad, disappointing emotions by the speaker. They are known as exclamatory sentences. It ends with an exclamation mark. Imperative sentences also ends with a full stop, and here the speaker is giving a request, is showing request or giving an order or instruction to the other person. Then it is an imperative sentences. I hope the kinds of sentences are clear to you all. Now I will give you the assignment. Please note down. Note down your assignment. This is lesson number 2, sentences, and these are the assignments, these are the pages and the exercises that you need to do in your grammar book.